William Vikoso. I'm from Nambua Kurala Utakondrove in Level. My mom is from Tumbula Kebalau. And I'm playing hookah for the Flying Fiji. Expectations I think are really high on us going into this pool of death, but we'll go out there and do our best and do our talking on the field. I mostly like local music, like the latest Doki Doki movie and Doki Doki music, and some slow jams. So it's Perhaps Swiper have to be Manasa Solo.
He can beat you.
Of course, man. He's got a big tank with him. Those old kind of movies like 300 Spartans, all those kind of movies. I like it. When I was a kid, but when he got older, I think I lost touch. Yeah, the same as Arnold. Like when I was a kid, I used to love watching them action movies, but as soon as they got older, they got less movies. I think I lost my liking for their movies as well. This Tony, the team has to be Pedeliato, of course.
Okay. What does he do?
Oh, he just makes fun of everyone, even if you are not his tohu. He just does every kind of things with you. He just makes fun of you, he jokes with you.
Has he done something to you?
Yeah, he doesn't really think. He doesn't really treat me as Andreu, he just treats me as one of his tohu as well. Not really, I'm a really
Do you know how to cook?
Only a few things like curry rice and all this stuff.
What curry?
Curry chicken. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that I know of. The rest, I have to refer back to my mother's recipe.
Who taught you how to cook curry chicken?
I was self-taught. I think my mom just wrote up the recipes and I have to just follow it through. Yeah. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. I think as a rugby player, you love challenges, and I think the first game against England, it's gonna be a big challenge. So yeah, we are looking forward to it. We love challenges, and that's why we play rugby. It's mostly Fijian players that have worn the jersey for us. Those are the kind of players that we look up to, and we're just trying to keep that Fijian jersey and that pride within that Fijian jersey. I think there's lots that when we grew up we look up to. The first, I think, flying Fijian that I looked up to was one of my uncles, Sekesi Bonolang, when he was playing for the Fiji Sevens team, and then it was Moisele Sirevi when he got famous, and then when I was still in the club games, it was current captain Akapu Singera and his older brother Chico Matawal. So yeah, those guys, motivate you to try and get higher in whatever level of rugby you play. Yeah, we just really need your support. We really need your prayers, and because I think it's not an easy journey for the boys, but with your support, with your blessings, your prayers, it's gonna be a massive help for us. Thank you.